Wait, Farah. What is this? It says your name on it. What? No! Oh my god! Wait, what? How do you know about it? He watched the message me on Facebook. Oh my god, I can't wait to put this up. It's so cute. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. Stop. Oh my god, he's so freaking amazing. He dropped it off at like 5:30 today, he said. He dropped it off? Yeah. Oh my god. He's so perfect. Let me see what he with his perfection. Oh my gosh.
She won't turn on the light.
It's okay.
But he was like, go turn on the light. Why me? Because you were the last one.
Stop.